Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this device here. Be cool, be free. Yeah, GTPLAYER comes to us with this gaming chair. This is a nice armchair. Oh, it's ergonomic shape. Humble lumbar support and a height adjustable padded gaming chair with up to 150 kilogram capacity in black. It's also available in black and white. You can choose. GTPLAYER brings us here a professionally designed gaming chair. This supports gamers and professional office workers. The originally shaped backrest follows the natural S curve of the spine and stabilizes the head, shoulders, and lower back. This keeps our sitting posture relaxed and healthy even during long sessions, either for games, for home office, or creative projects. GTPLAYER gaming chair is made of durable, easy care PU leather that is resistant to abrasion and scratches. The surface feels soft and comfortable, while the highly compact foams retains its shape permanently. The result is a comfortable sitting feeling with a premium character, perfect for hours of sitting without fatigue. And the backrest can be flexible, tilted between 90 and 150 degrees, so we can easily switch between the focus, gaming, and relaxation. The chair is height adjustable and the seat can be moved freely thanks to the 360-degree swivel function. A special highlight is the lumbar cushion with the integrated vibration massage, which relieves the muscle tension and offers additional comfort, ideal for breaks in between. The integrated footrest can easily pull out to comfortably put the legs and the feet. Together with the massage function, a small personal relaxation center is created. We sit back, we put our legs up and activates the massage, and the stress drops immediately. Cleaning the PU leather is easy with a cloth. All components are cleanly produced and clearly marked, so you can easily install them. We have a detailed instruction video on my channel so that the assembly succeed quickly. High quality materials and stable construction ensures a long service life. This all brings us this nice shaped GTPLAYER gaming massage chair. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!